If you'd like to see how I added the rhinestones to the baby lotion, the shampoo, and the pacifier, go ahead and keep watching this video. These make lovely gifts, and I'm sure you'd like to see how I did it. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to show you how to make DIY baby shower gifts. Now these are gifts that are very inexpensive. As you can see, I just have a little Disney Winnie the Pooh pacifier, Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion, Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. I already set aside the rhinestones I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using yellow, pink, and iridescent clear AB, all resin rhinestones. These two are jelly colors. And I'm just going to show you a really quick way how you can spruce up something very simple but also very necessary. I am going to start with the baby lotion. I'm going to be using liquid fusion glue. Just apply a small layer of glue to get started. I'm only going to be using one size, which is a 5mm jelly rhinestone. And I'm using a color that is the same shade color as the bottle. And when you do that, it does give you a much more seamless, full look. Just try your best to have the rhinestones as close as possible. I didn't put any rhinestones in this area, obviously, because you do want to make sure you can still push this part down to close the bottle and to open the bottle. So I just have one more row left. Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo bottle. Same process, just start off with a nice thin line of glue. Last little couple bit of rhinestones here to finish off the top on this shampoo bottle. Again, I did use the honeycomb method because I'm only using one size. And these are a very pretty yellow AB jelly rhinestone. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the pacifier. Okay, so I'm just going to apply the glue on this outer edge here. And that's where I'm going to get started. Okay, so you could leave it like this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going and cover up the Winnie the Pooh face. Okay, so here is the final result of the pacifier. And I believe this one came from the Dollar Tree. It definitely doesn't look like it came from the Dollar Tree now. Okay, so these are the finished results. I also want to show you something else I made in a previous video. I will link this in the end screen. But I also made a bottle. Of course, this is a necessity for a baby or baby shower as well. I did the honeycomb method on this. These are resin rhinestones, 5mm. I did add a touch of 3mm rhinestones in certain places where it was just impossible to fit the 5mm. That's just because I wanted to make sure it was very seamless. If I could have left those off, it would have still been fine as well. So I have that. And I do want to say I'm using Liquid Fusion, and I did buy this with my own money. I'm not advertising them or endorsed in any type of way. I just really like this glue because it's non-toxic. Now, years ago, I did make a pacifier. This is probably about 6 years ago I did this. And it was really cute, but I never advertised it. I never gave one to anyone as a gift because I use E6000. And that glue is very strong and very toxic. And in my mind, I just kept thinking I just wouldn't want a baby, or my baby at the time, she was a newborn, to use something so close to their face and mouth that had E6000 on it because it's just so strong. I even thought maybe I could boil it and maybe get some of that out of it, but just the thought. But using this, I would actually trust myself or someone to use a pacifier for their baby using Liquid Fusion because it's non-toxic and it does not have that terrible odor like E6000 or the Gorilla Grip Glue. So I just wanted to say that that's what I'm using, and it was being used in this precision tip bottle that I purchased off Amazon. You can get 12 or 10 of these in a pack for about $7. So this is amazing, and this Liquid Fusion glue goes quite a way. It does cost more than E6000, but I think it's completely worth it. It was about $10 for this glue. So E6000 is about $3, so that's your difference there, but it's completely worth it in my opinion. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you did receive some inspiration on a nice gift to make for someone or for your own little baby as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.